All right, let's go to number 5, where we started from. You're also in E major, and it's I Love Rock and Roll, Joan Jett and the Blackhearts. This one is crazy fun to play. I'll even show you this. That thing right there. So you're in E major, no capo needed, and you go good 2 hard hits, palm mute it, and then put your 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the low E string and bend it up like that, and that leads you to the A major like that, and then B major with a bar chord right there, B major, and then put that back on the 3rd fret of the low E string and bend it up again and back down to the E major. And I remember when I was a kid, I literally got a cassette tape recorder and was listening to Casey Kasem, waiting for him to play it again so I could record it and play it on my cassette. So yes, I'm old, I guess. Next time around, it does it again. Then it goes real quickly. B, 3rd fret of the low E string, like that. So you go to the 12th fret of the high E, down to the 10th fret of the high E string, 12th fret of the B, and then 10th of the B, down to the 8th of the B string real quickly. And if you want, you can bend it, up here. Like that, up on the 15th of the B, bend it up 2 notes, down to the 12th, 14th of the G, and 12th of the G. All right, counting down to number 4. You heard this one at the beginning. 7 Nation Army, the White Stripes.